What a beautiful morning it is up here on Narbey Farm, Helensville, New Zealand. Looking at the siphon line that's been running here for about a month now, and I can see the impact already. Scott's gone and cropped this, he's put maize in there. But there's the siphon pipeline running here. You'll see it goes all the way up there, you can see it above ground up there, all the way to the foot of that hill. That big pile of dirt up there is the first sump. That row of dirt just there, that's the second sump, and this here is the primary sump at the bottom here, close. And already, if you can see there, you can see the duckweed level on the side there. That's how much it's dropping the water level, probably every day as the water's come in. We had rain these last few days, but look, it's running great. It's a beautiful morning up here, just classic spring morning, just gorgeous. Looking here at the siphon pipeline, it's a 250mm pipeline coming up through here, through the manifold. The primer's doing its job, it's got the system completely degassed, and then the pipeline's going down there into the Kaipara River. The Kaipara River's not at low tide yet, so there's still more water level to drop, but it's taking the water off the land and putting it into the tide. So it's matching the low tide level in the river is being matched in these three places. First sump, second sump, and the top sump up there. What a beautiful day.